Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to be making gingerbread cake. So very festive for this time of year. I've got my stand mixer ready and we're just going to jump right in and start going. So I'm going to add in 150 grams caster sugar and 180 grams of butter. This will come out. There we go. And then I'm just going to mix that until it's combined and it's light and fluffy. Okay. So now that butter and sugar has been creamed together, it looks nice and light and fluffy. I've got 3 eggs. I'm going to turn the stand mixer on and I'm going to pour in 1 egg at a time and just let that slowly combine into the mixture. Okay, now that is all combined, we are going to add in 400 grams plain flour, 1.5 teaspoons bicarbonate of soda, a half teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, and 1.5 teaspoons of ground ginger. That's all in here together, and that can all go in. And then I'm going to mix this on the lowest setting so I don't get a big flour cloud everywhere. Okay, there we go, just mixed together. We don't want to over mix it at this stage because we've still got some other things to add and mix in. Okay, so here I have got 360 mils, 8 fluid ounces of full fat milk that I've just warmed up slightly. Don't know if you can see the steam coming off of it. And I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of golden syrup and 3 tablespoons of black treacle. All that yummy sticky goodness. I'm just going to mix that until combined. See, the milk's immediately taken on the colour of the black treacle and gone this lovely chocolatey brown. Okay, I think that is all combined in. And then I have the rind of half of an orange and 1 lemon. Just going to pop that in. Gives us a lovely fruity Christmassy tang. And let me just move this out of the way. Bring our mixer back into frame. I'm going to pour this mixture, the hot milk mixture, into our butter, and we're gonna mix until combined. Okay, we've got our mixture nice and combined. I've got a round tin. It's I think they're called a springform tin, where you can expand the side and then the bottom comes out. I've lined it, not all the way up the side, so I'm not too bothered about that. I just want it so the bottom won't stick. And I am going to go ahead and pour our lovely mixture in. Okay, and now I'm going to pop this into an oven that I've had on 170 since I started making this. It's 170 degrees centigrade for a fan oven, and I'm going to leave it in there until it's cooked all the way through. So I'm going to do the skewer test, where you put a skewer in, and if it comes out clean, it's cooked. If it's got cake mixture on it, it isn't cooked, and that should take about 40 minutes. So I'm going to set a timer for 35 minutes and then check it every 5 minutes after that. If the top starts getting too brown or even burnt slightly, which I hope it won't, I'm going to cover with foil. And I'll see you back here when it's all cooked. So the cake was in the oven for 40 minutes exactly, and it is, cocktail stick came out perfectly clean. I've let it completely cool down, I've taken it out of the tin, put it on my cake serving platter. Then I've got these cute little Christmas cake decorations. So I'm going to add these in. I'll move the camera so you're facing that way. I'll add them in and then we're going to dust it with icing sugar so it looks all snowy and lovely. Okay, so you can see here where the cake split where it was baking, completely normal, absolutely fine, but I think I'm going to have that as the back, like that. And then start adding these in. Christmas. Make my tree there. I'm going to have to stick their feet in to get them to stay. Cute. Cute, cute, cute. Where do I want my robin? Maybe we'll pop robin there. Cute. Just move your angle a little bit. There we go. How cute. Right, I have some icing sugar ready to go. So I need to try and lightly dust. There we go. And there we have a beautiful, delicious gingerbread cake. I'm not going to cut this on camera because I'm going to take this to work for my colleagues to enjoy. But stick around, I'll put some pictures at the end. If you like the video, give me a thumbs up and subscribe if you want to see future videos. I'll see you in the next one. Bye!